Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial, Jedi Master, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Bitcoin Green wallet. This is going to be a simple tutorial and really easy to follow, so let's jump right into it. The first step here is to find the correct domain name, so I'll show you how I do that. We're going to go to our browser here, and I'll be using my Google browser for this video. What we're going to do is search coinmarketcap.com. So I'm going to go ahead and search coinmarketcap.com, and this takes us to the list of cryptocurrencies. In the search bar right here, we're going to type in Bitcoin Green, and it shows up right here. So go ahead and click that. We're going to go ahead and scroll down now, and we're going to go ahead and click on this website button right here. Okay, great. So this is the website. This is a secure website. You can tell by this padlock right here. And the official website is savebitcoin.io. So that's part A of step 1. So the next thing we're going to do is part B, which is to check their Twitter and look at their number of followers. And the way I do this is to go back on coinmarketcap.com here. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down to this button that says social. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to refresh the page. Scroll down again, and you'll see their Twitter handle right here, which is BTC Green. Go ahead and click that. It's going to open a new tab and show you their Twitter profile. So at the moment, they currently have over 7,000 followers, and the link that they're promoting is bitg.org. So I'll go ahead and click that, and it redirects to savebitcoin.io. So that means this is the appropriate website, and we verified that by checking their Twitter profile. So let's move on to step 2 now, which is to choose the correct wallet. And the way we do this is to go back on the website, savebitcoin.io, and they have a button right here that says wallet. Go ahead and click that. And once you click that, you'll see that they have a few options to choose from: Windows, Mac, or Linux. In this video, I'm using a MacBook, so I'll be choosing this Mac option. But go ahead and choose the appropriate download for you if you're using Windows or Linux. Before we download anything, I want to be clear that the Bitcoin Green wallet is the main wallet, highly recommended for everyone, and it's developed by the main Bitcoin Green dev team. So let's go back to the website and do step number 3 here, which is to download the Bitcoin Green wallet. So I'll go ahead and click Mac right here, and it takes me to their GitHub. So we'll be here briefly. All we have to do is choose the appropriate download. For Macintosh, it's the DMG file right here. And for Windows, it'll be this exe file right here. And if you're using Linux, you would choose one of these Linux options right here. So let's go ahead and click the appropriate download. I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And as you can see, it starts downloading instantly right here. It appears to be a small file, so it downloaded pretty quickly, almost immediately. So let's move on to step number 4, which is to install the Bitcoin Green wallet now. All you have to do is click this download button. So I'll go ahead and start opening it up right here. And you can see it opening right here. Perfect. So at this point, what we want to do is drag this icon to the applications folder. Perfect. So that sound means it worked. So what we're going to do now is exit out of this button right here. And what we're going to do is go to our Finder folder, which looks like this for me. And I'm going to go to my applications here. And I'm going to find Bitcoin Green, which is right here for me. So the way I open it is by right-clicking on it and then clicking open. Okay, it says, are you sure you want to open it? I'll say yes, open. And here it is loading up right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and minimize this. I don't need my browser at this point, and I'll hide my presentation for now. So what it's doing here is it's loading, so give it some time to load, and voila, here's the Bitcoin Green Core wallet. So at this point in the video, I'll be showing you around a little bit to show you what the user interface looks like. This is the home page right here, which is the overview, and it says my balance right here, and it also says it's out of sync. And what the out of sync means is if I scroll this up, you'll see on the bottom that it's synchronizing with the network and that it's 3 weeks behind. So go ahead and let that sync up first before using this. But once it syncs up, you could start sending and receiving. So I'll show you what the send button looks like right here. You would copy and paste a Bitcoin Green address into here. You could put a label and the amount. You could choose Swift transaction, which says that it allows for near instant transactions, and the flat fee is 0.01 BITG. So you could turn that on and off. You could choose the speed of confirmation. So if I uncheck this, I could choose it to go normal or fast. And all I would really do at that point is just click send once I'm ready to send the transaction. And typically we send test transactions first, right? So if you intend to send money from Bitcoin Green, make sure you send a test transaction first. If we look at the price of Bitcoin Green right now, it's 33 cents. So a test transaction would be, for example, 5 Bitcoin Green. And then if you want to send 50 or 100, you could do that afterwards. But typically you want to start with a small amount. And if you want to receive, the way you do that is click the receive button up here. And it says that these fields are optional. So what you could do is click request payment right here. And it pops up a QR code and it gives you your address right here. And all you would have to do is click this copy address button. And that's going to copy it to your clipboard. That's how you get your address. It's pretty simple to do. To close this tab, you just have to click close. So that's the receive button. There's also a transactions tab. So you could pretty much browse your transaction history here. I don't have any transactions yet, but in my follow-up videos for Bitcoin Green, you'll be able to see more transactions in the history here. And lastly, there's a masternodes button. In my follow-up videos for Bitcoin Green, I'll show you how to set up a masternode for this cryptocurrency. So if you definitely want to see that video, make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video to let me know that you want to see that video. So I'm definitely excited to show you that video as well. And the last step we're going to cover is step 5, which is to verify that you could close and open the Bitcoin Green wallet. And all you have to do is go to the wallet. And what I'm going to do is drag my screen recorder to the top left here and click on Bitcoin Green. And you'll see that the name pops up right here on the top left. I'm going to go ahead and click that and then click the quit button. Now it says it's shutting down, so that's good. To make sure it quit, all you have to do is go to your Finder application, and then it says Bitcoin Green right here. What I'm gonna have to do is click this eject button, so I'll go ahead and do that. And now I know it for sure is not open. My Bitcoin Green wallet's not open. So I do that purposely to make sure that it's not open anymore. The way I open it back up is to go to my Finder, go to my applications here, and then go to Bitcoin Green. So the way I open it is not by double clicking on it. What I do is I right click on it and then I click open. And here it is opening up once more. And here it is. So there you go. That's how you verify that you can open and close your Bitcoin Green wallet. And that about concludes this video. In my follow-up videos for Bitcoin Green, I'll show you how to send and receive it. I'll also show you how to back up and protect the wallet. I'll show you how to update the wallet. And I'll even show you how to set up a masternode for Bitcoin Green. So stay tuned for those videos. If you enjoy watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You can learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint. And you could also get 10% off using my promo code Denny2019. Go ahead and check out the display address here on the screen, or check out the links below. You could also follow me on Twitter. My handle is Denny Lovejoy, and you could find my crypto mentors Taizen and LeonFu.com at Hey Taizen and Leon C. Fu. Thank you so much for watching this software tutorial. If you have any suggestions for future videos, send them to me on Twitter. Have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.